Hello everyone, I'm Leo. Today I'm going to present you about my Intelligent Agent Assignment 2. In this assignment, our topic is Trust Correcting Robot. Trust Correcting Robot is a reactive multi-agent system using JSON based on AgentSpeak. AgentSpeak language is intended to develop multi-agent system in an environment. Trust Correcting Robot is a program with two agents which are collector agent and bin agent in a park environment, where bin agent is a static agent and collector agent is a moving agent. The goal of trash collecting robot is to identify and pick up the trash into the bin.
Hi, I'm Connie, and now I'm going to illustrate on how the agents work in this project. So from here, as you can see, the infrastructure in this project is centralized and the environment is in a park environment, and there are two agents which are C1, the collector agent, and B1, the bin agent. And we'll try to debug it. And you can see here there's two agents, the B1 agent where the position will remain static, where the normal bin would not move, and the collector agent which will move over the time. So by not wasting up the time, I will run the program by stopping the debugger. And we will run the program by clicking this green triangle button. And as you can see here, this is in an environment of a fun park world where the people there will generate the trash over and over, and our collector will identify whether the object on the ground is a normal object or a trash. When it's a trash, the collector will pick up the trash and put it into the bin, while if it's the object, it will just ignore it and leave it at the same position. And as you can see from this console, when the collector does not find the object, it will just moving by going to the next position, and while it identifies the trash, it will pick it up and move to the bin location and drop the trash into the bin agent. And after the bin agent recycle the trash, it will move back to its original position and continue the next. So that's all from me. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Rex. Today I'm going to talk about the general coding part in our project. The project is created with JEdit, a Java program tailored for JSON. First, we use a centralized infrastructure because we expect all the agents in our program share the same resources. Then, two agents are created, namely C1 and B1, C1 being the collector, while B1 being the recycle bin agent. And finally, we create a park environment for the environment. This is the environment where the agents live in. So when we first create the environment, a Java file will be created. It is called park environment. It extends the environment from the JSON library. Okay, so in order to craft a beautiful park for the agents to live in, we have to create another two classes, which is called park model and park view. Park model extends the functionalities from grid world model so that the agents can react correspondingly. As for the park view, we extend it from grid world model so that it has the tool to paint and color the park. So initially we define the park to be 7 by 7. This is the grid size, and then the trash is the trash code in the grid model, and this is the object where the agents will not pick up, and this is the maximum number of agents we define in our program. Okay, so to illustrate things a bit, okay, initially the collector agent is situated in coordinate 0 and 0, and then as I said earlier, the grid is constructed with the size of 7 by 7, and then this is the object. The object will be called initially when the model is being initiated. So let's go to the model. Okay, when the model starts begin to initiate, right, we try to create a location for the collector and a location for the bin agent. So we set the position for both agents, and also we try to spawn the object where the agents will not pick up. So these are the location for the objects. Okay, and subsequently the park environment exhibit a behavior as if there are many irresponsible people in the park randomly disposing trash, as seen in the spawn trash function. So this function will be called when the agents starts to pick up a signal whereby the percepts are updated. So when the percepts are updated, which will be talked about by my friend Leo in the next section, so the model will automatically spawn some trash. So let's look at the spawn trash function. When the number of trash is less than 5 in the program, okay, it will try to search for available coordinates and add a new trash, as if there are people constantly disposing trash in the park. So in order to connect with the agents, we use the library JSON as syntax. This library allows us to pass the literal that are coming from the agents, which is here. Okay, my friend Zway is going to talk about this in his part. Okay, so when the literal are passed in, we define the literals here, and it is able to pick up and respond correspondingly. So for example, if the agent is able to pick up a trash, so the model, a function called pick trash in the model will be called pick trash. Okay, here. So the model will start to check whether at the coordinate get agent position. 0 means the position of the collector agent. The function will check whether the coordinate has the trash. If yes, it will try to remove the trash from the program and updates the corresponding variables. So this is all from me. Thank you.
As a conclusion, we have successfully developed a multi-agent system by integrating the JSON plugin in this project. The trash collecting robot is developed based on agent speed language. It shows a possibility of implement multi-agent system in order to keep the environment clean, while each agent have own behavior and able to communicate with each other to achieve the goal. Some agents could be added in future for implementation such as charging station agents. That is all from us. Thank you.